the 10 largest island countries in the world. This document provides an overview of the 10 largest island countries in the world, highlighting their geographical significance and size. Island countries are defined as nations that are primarily located on islands, and their landmass can vary significantly. Understanding the largest island nations is essential for appreciating their cultural, ecological, and economic contributions to the world. 1. Australia. Area, approximately 7692,024 square kilometers. Australia is the largest island country in the world and is often referred to as a continent. It is known for its diverse ecosystems, unique wildlife, and vibrant cities. 2. Indonesia. Area, approximately 1904,569 square kilometers. Indonesia is an archipelago consisting of over 17,000 islands, making it the largest island country in Southeast Asia. It is renowned for its rich cultural heritage and biodiversity. 3. Greenland, Denmark. Area, approximately 2166,086 square kilometers. Although politically part of the Kingdom of Denmark, Greenland is the world's largest island that is not a continent. It is mostly covered by ice and has a sparse population. 4. Papua New Guinea. Area, approximately 462,840 square kilometers. Located in Oceania, Papua New Guinea is known for its diverse cultures and languages, with hundreds of indigenous groups and dialects. 5. Japan. Area, approximately 377,975 square kilometers. Japan is an island nation in East Asia, consisting of 4 main islands and numerous smaller ones. It is famous for its technological advancements and rich cultural traditions. 6. Philippines. Area, approximately 300,000 square kilometers. The Philippines is an archipelago of over 7,000 islands, known for its stunning beaches, vibrant culture, and biodiversity. 7. New Zealand. Area, approximately 268,021 square kilometers. New Zealand consists of 2 main islands and is known for its breathtaking landscapes, indigenous Maori culture, and outdoor recreational activities. 8. United Kingdom. Area, approximately 243,610 square kilometers. The United Kingdom is made up of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, and it has a rich history and significant global influence in politics, culture, and economics. 9. Iceland. Area, approximately 103,000 square kilometers. Iceland is known for its dramatic landscapes, including volcanoes, geysers, hot springs, and lava fields. It has a small population and a unique cultural heritage. 10. Madagascar. Area, approximately 587,041 square kilometers. Madagascar is the 4th largest island in the world and is famous for its unique flora and fauna, much of which is found nowhere else on Earth. Conclusion. In conclusion, these 10 island countries are not only the largest by land area but also play significant roles in global ecology, culture, and economy. Each of these nations offers unique characteristics that contribute to the diversity of our planet.